How to add Favicon on Shopify store. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your desktop here, and it will look like this. Now, what I want you to do next is, of course, open your Shopify account. Go directly to your customization area. If you will view my store here, as you can see on the upper left, there's a logo. So we will be adding that Favicon. So we call that the Favicon. Now, to be able to have your own logo there, the next thing that you need to do is on the left side, you will see the settings icon or the theme settings. Tap on that theme settings and go to logo and scroll down until you see the Favicon image. And if you do not have that, then go add your Favicon. For me, you just have to edit it out or change this. Select from your library and then add the image. So here you just have to add the image directly, and then just wait for it to load and then tap on done. Now, as you can see here, it's already done. Now, if you go back to your store here, as you can see, we have now successfully changed our Favicon on Shopify store. So let's say you still don't have that, just give it some time to actually reload and refresh, and then it will eventually change your Favicon or add your Favicon. And that's it. That's how you add Favicon on Shopify store, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.